Hey guys, today we're answering the big question. Is Icon of the Seas worth the high price tag? But first, come along as we enjoy our final dinner in the main dining room, treat ourselves to some very expensive, extravagantly decorated milkshakes at Deserted, and cap the night off with a classic rock show at the Dynamic Music Hall. So stick around till the end for our full review and final thoughts on this incredible ship. Alright, with that it is dinner time. Mariner is out of here. I didn't even change. All I did was put in pants. I still have the same shirt on. I am hungry. I might be the only one, but I didn't eat I never had a sandwich or anything. I just ate cheese sticks and funnel cake. Trying to vlog.
I think so, yeah. With me then.
Alrighty, we are back in the main dining room for dinner, and here is the menu for today. Let's take a look, see what you would get. Our orders have been placed, and the bread is here. What did you get? Cheese. Ooh, that is cheese. There we go, we got the butter thing going. Alex tried it yesterday, it didn't work out. Let's see if we can get it today. Oh, we're going simultaneously. Let Mackenzie and
Oh, it's doing it for me too now. How'd I get it right the first time?
No. Alex got it.
Yeah.
Got it that time.
I'm actually got it.
Yeah, Alex has tried a couple times on camera and it fell off. Bummer. Alrighty, our drinks are here. You guys got the red sangria, and I got mystery bourbon.
Well, we have a serious problem on
Let's see. Why?
How is the freaking 16-year-old able to identify a straight liquor?
Alex already guessed. He said it was Bullet. We'll see. I can't. I probably won't be able to tell you that. I'm gonna try. It does, because he went off the color. We'll see. Buffalo Trace. Good guess, but you shouldn't even have a guess. Just guess Coke.
That's what I actually
Oh, Coca-Cola. Ginger ale. Apple juice.
Yeah.
So, got brie, celery, walnuts. This down here, we don't know what this is. And then a cheddar.
I think it's a chutney or
Oh, yeah. What is this one?
It's pig chutney.
Pig chutney. Okay.
That's good cheese.
good.
Good.
Goat.
Oh,
Good.
okay.
All right. Nice. Ooh, the asparagus is delicious. The sauce has a very, I don't know what the word is. It's like umami, if I want to say the right word. It's like a super savory sauce. And the arugula gives it a little spice, a little bite. Caesar salad. Okay. Good.
This is Mediterranean tapas. So it's got some tzatziki, some hummus, and like a little Greek salad. It's really good.
This is seafood cake. So far I've got scallops, crabs, and shrimp and stuff. But there's like a smoky flavor.
What about your sauce that your little
That's spicy mayo.
spicy mayo? Nice. All right, Alex got some lamb.
So good.
Just fall off the
I
bone.
don't even need one.
Yeah, you don't even need a fork. Or, I mean, a knife or a fork. If we're at home, we just pick it up.
Yeah.
All right, you got the turkey.
It's very tender.
Presentation is great.
Yeah.
And that steak looks delicious. Crazy crust on it. Now, we've had some really good beef on this ship. So, obviously, it's probably going to be a little tougher than those other ones. But how's the flavor?
Flavor is very good.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's like
Tastes like steak. And I got the lamb as well. We got beans, mashed potatoes, and some greens. A little bit of mint jelly. Man, I am excited for this. All right, desserts are here, and obviously you enjoy the popcorn. That was on top of that.
fries.
Yeah, it was good. And yours looks exactly like creme brulee with a different name. Yeah, okay.
You got to try this. It's yummy.
Is it good?
What is it?
Dairy chocolate.
You know what, actually? This is a little thicker.
Okay, so it is different.
The flavor is still pretty much the same.
Okay. I got the peach trifle with a mustache. Mustache.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are together help you welcome your waiters and your assistant waiters.
It's crunch time. We are running out of time. We just did the dreaded pack the suitcases, get everything ready to go. And now we got to hurry up and run and grab that milkshake that was supposed to be grabbed a long time ago. Like in the 11th hour. I mean, that place closes in 40 minutes. Yeah. So we're going to try to hurry up and get up there and try to get one. Oh, man. Cruise is over. They're like, we're out of here. Clean up the machines. You know how this feels. Yep. Last minute ice cream customer. Nobody's coming. Clean it up. Kiko, you can be the first face they see when I get angry. Angry.
Have you heard about the latest thing? Everybody's jacking in. Innovations here to conquer the nation. Just come along and get right in. This is how it's done. Come on, we've already.
Alright, we got him. Got him. Finally. Let's go to base camp. You gotta get a picture of that without me sitting in front of it. What we think?
Super good.
They look cool, that's for sure. You definitely can't beat the look of them. You're losing the precious caramel popcorn.
Mom would love this.
That was on your dessert today.
I can't even eat it.
Oh, you can't eat it because of your braces. That's what it is.
Sticky too.
Is it?
Because that's so much caramel on it.
Dang, they're not very big. It's just the look. What do you have, a donut?
Yeah.
Probably been sitting out a minute.
Yeah.
It's cool though.
Mom sent us on a mission.
What?
So we have to get the pink Brazil de Janeiro spread.
No.
We do.
Good.
Just text me.
So with gratuities, because they add gratuity to that and everything, those are $40. $40 for 2 shakes. They're cool looking though, but I don't know if the flavor value is there.
Normal milkshake, nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
It's not like incredibly thick or anything. If anything is on the thinner side.
But they were pretty.
They're pretty.
It's worth $20 to you?
I gave one.
Okay.
You get to keep the pinata.
Yeah, you get to keep the pinata. I mean, is it pretty? No, that's like a real pinata. It's like cardboard. Yeah. Oh well, they are cool looking.
Nobody likes candy straw.
Oh, it's a candy straw? Yours a candy straw? Oh yeah, those are nasty. Bummer. We're sitting here watching everybody running in. I think it's like a last minute thing where everybody wanted to get one, and 25 minutes before they close, and everybody had the same thing like us, like hurry up, gotta get it. It's gonna close.
We didn't even golf.
We didn't even golf. There's a lot of things we didn't do. It's a huge ship. There's a lot to do on that ship. Ooh. All right. Yeah, run to the store, go get spray. Boo. It got crowded. Crowded in there. You gotta stay in the room only. On our way back to the room, we have passed so many people talking about getting the milkshake. That place is about to get packed. And I felt bad going when we did. Those guys are gonna be working all night long.
10 minutes before.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Let's see if it's any better. I did. No.
Oh. Look at all those goodies. That's a lot of food. Like a full plate. All right, what are we getting? Pink
Spray.
what? Pink spray? All right, so we're on deck 5 here. We're gonna get some pink spray. We were gonna try to pink spray. I don't know what it is. We were gonna try to get rid of some of the ducks, but it is packed up in here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to do it.
You keep calling me when you're lonely inside. Though
pink spray, check.
I think I had this book first.
Let's go over here and have a seat. Come, have a sit.
Have a sip?
Have a sit with me. Have a sit. Like where? Yeah, just give it
Why, right?
right here, right here. As you walk by, just.
What is
there. All right, we're here at 1400.
Let's see if I can get a lemon drop martini.
Oh, lemon drop martini. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna get a Cosmo. Very good. Didn't even show the drinks. I wasn't paying attention. We got sidetracked. Talking too much. We got, huh? They looked a lot prettier. But yeah, we got a lemon drop, a Cosmo. I just looked up there and I seen they had the old Knob Creek 9-year, which I do enjoy pretty good. So there's the Knob Creek. All right, we're gonna head down. Why don't you grab that duck on your way? We're gonna head down to the casino. Can you see it? Oh yeah, somebody got it. All right, so we're gonna head down to the casino. Actually, we're gonna walk through the casino going to the rock show, but I can't film in there, so gonna have to cut off. Catch you at the end of the casino. Your basement, Nico. There you go. We can go. You want a table? Yeah. Let's go get a table. All right, we made it to the music hall.
I gotta see what drinks are on here.
Yeah, we gotta see. Here's the menu.
California.
All right, well, there's the menu. We're gonna look that over. Obviously, can't record a lot due to copyright. All right, we got some drinks. What did you get?
Ice Ice Baby.
Ice Baby.
Truly Wildberry.
Huh? Nice. What'd you get?
A tribute.
What is a tribute?
Coconut rum, raspberry liqueur, pineapple juice, and a splash of soda.
Nice. And I got Buffalo Trace. Easy. Right. So tonight's show is going to be classic rock.
Ladies and gents, direct from Las Vegas, internationally known classic rock band, give it up for Phoenix!
And that's where we're going to conclude tonight. What a fun show. I wish we would have caught that. That was good.
Yeah.
I wish we would have caught that sooner. Ooh,
Yeah,
this is a really good band. Really good band.
Yeah.
It's been a great week. But the question is this worth the money? Tune in next week when we show you our thoughts from each of our age demographics as to whether this cruise may be for you. Until then, though,
See ya.
see ya.
All right, so now it is 7 months later. This is how long it takes for us to get through these videos. We've had a lot of time to think about it and have been on a couple of cruises since, so actually this makes it even better. You guys, what'd you think of Icon?
I think the water park, like, it was literally a water park, so that was really cool.
Alex, did you have something that stood out to you?
I liked the Pearl. That was really cool. It looked really cool. Had the cafe.
A lot of money went into that stairway. It's a huge investment and not a huge deal, but it does enhance that experience when you walk in and you see that Pearl.
Yeah, it's pretty grand.
Yeah, it is pretty grand. You got something that stands out to you, Stephanie?
I mean, I liked the different food options that they had. They had the crepes. Those were my favorite.
The Aquadome Market.
Yeah, Aquadome
That was the
Market.
best.
Oh, it's so good. Yeah, for a quick service.
Yeah, and I also liked the boardwalk a lot. I liked that they added the bar.
Oh yeah, that one, the lemon.
I like that
bar.
option, and I like that they had a kids option over there for buffet, which I liked.
Yeah, Surfside. Yeah.
Their elevator system, which since we've gone on the Utopia, that is the same way
Yep.
as on the Icon.
Yeah.
And when we were on the Wonder, I was like, this sucks because it's the old style. So that is so much better.
Yeah, definitely a huge improvement.
Yeah.
For me, one of the top things of that cruise was the room.
Oh yeah, the room
Yeah.
for sure. That was,
For 4 people in one room, we
It
were
was
comfortable.
so nice.
First time ever comfortable.
yeah, it didn't feel
And-
like all our stuff was all over.
Nope.
The extended balcony helped with that too.
Yeah.
Infinite balcony. Oh, having that as interior space. Yeah. So that goes both ways, right? Some people like it, some people don't.
Yeah,
You know?
I liked it because
Yeah.
it just added more sitting space for when you have that many people in a room. And then just having their bunks off to the corner, that was
Right.
nice. They had their own TVs and then what it had a sink and a toilet in one side and then
Okay, separated bed.
separated bathrooms. That was nice.
Yep, that was
Really
nice.
enjoyed that room.
A lot of bars to choose from. I was disappointed with Lou's, but we didn't have jazz that day. It wasn't what I had really
No.
put that up high on a pedestal. It fell short for me, but we only went the one day, and it was a classical string quartet or something. Didn't fit what I was looking for.
Yeah.
And the drinks I didn't care for.
The rock music venue was sweet. That was huge.
Yeah.
Looks like a real concert
Right.
venue up in there.
Yeah, that was nice.
Especially since we've seen them, The Wonder and Utopia right after, how much bigger it is on the icon.
I mean, those Oasis class ones are nice, but that icon one is
Yeah.
huge. Yeah. What else? Price. I mean, ultimately, it comes down to the whole question here: is the icon of the seas worth the price? Right? Alex says yes because he didn't foot the bill.
I mean, when we booked it right out the gate.
It
so
wasn't bad.
we only spent $6,000 something for 4 people for that large room.
Yeah.
So that for us was not bad.
But it's gone up.
But now it's
substantially.
like 10 grand
Yeah,
for
to
that
book that
same room.
Yeah, so I guess it comes down to this, right? That is, I would say, the best cruise ship I've ever been on.
Yeah.
I would love to cruise it all the time, but we cannot afford to cruise that all the time. I mean, it's tough because you can go on 2 cruises for the price of 1. But if you don't cruise that often, I would say,
I would definitely say book that.
book that one.
Maybe do 2
Yeah.
weeker.
Yeah, but there's plenty to do.
And if you need somebody to book it for you, I'm your girl.
Yeah, you'd be able to line you up if you want to try it. Give her a buzz. Mackenzie also hook you up too. She helps too, so she can take care of you too. They're both travel agents. Yeah, definitely want to get on another icon class ship.
Like to do Star, but that
but
might
that's-
be a year or 2
Yeah.
out.
You gotta wait till they're old,
Yeah.
because they are expensive. But man, they are fun, and I do like them. We recommend it for sure.
Yeah.
I recommend it. So thanks for watching the series. It only took 6-7 months.
Yeah, we're about to go on our next cruise.
Right, we've already been on a couple.
Yeah, we've been
Yeah.
on 2. Now we're going on.
Yeah, now we're going on another one. We're going on a Virgin Cruise, our first Virgin Cruise.
Not me.
Not me.
And you can't.
Meeting them at Universal.
Yes, for Halloween Horror Nights and Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween. So we got some content coming up. Hopefully that'll be out by December
Hopefully.
Of next year.
of next year. But yeah, that's it for the icon. Definitely a good ship. All right, guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.